Hey, hey, hey! It's your girl Raah Vibez here with the dancehall move of the week. The move I have for you today is called Jook Wid Di Look by Pretty Pretty. Let's check it out.
Inna the club we a wine and a juksa, juksa, juksa. Wine to the hooksa, juksa, juksa. Beg you a chups no, juksa, juksa. Hello you look so sexy. Bumper cock up, juksa, juksa, juksa. Wine to the hooksa, juksa, juksa. Beg you a chups no, juksa, juksa. Hello you look so.
So I think this move is pretty self-explanatory. So first we want to start with a jook. Alright? So what you're gonna do is pop your pelvis to the front, okay? So you're popping, jook, jook, from the side, jook, 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 jook. And see how I bring my booty up to make that jook more impactful, okay? Now, the second part of that move is with the look. So every time you jook, you wanna look from side to side, okay? So we're gonna start on the left and go to the right and do that 4 times, all right? Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good? Now you wanna try that again, but this time you're gonna put your thumb in your mouth, okay? You don't have to put it all the way in, but just kind of have it resting on your lips, okay? So after you do the 4 looks, you're gonna continue that same motion with your thumb in your mouth, okay? So let's try putting all of that together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, thumb in the mouth, and 5, 6, 7, 8. How did that feel? Let's try it with some music. Get the hang.
The body feel good.
5, 6, 7, 8, and 2.
Juksa, juksa, wine to the hooksa, juksa, juksa. Beg you a chups no, juksa, juksa. Hello you look so sexy. Bumper cock up, juksa, juksa, juksa. Wine to the hooksa, juksa, juksa. Beg you a chups no, juksa, juksa. Hello you look so sexy. Bumper cock up.
And that was Jook Wid Di Look by Pretty Pretty. Yes! I hope you're proud of yourself because I know you killed it. And don't forget, practice makes progress. Once again, I'm Raah Vibez. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media at Raah Vibez, and subscribe to my newsletter at raahvibez.com for more dance tutorials. Peace!